Language.
1. Listen and repeat.
1. Noi is a boy from Laos.
2. Is Noon a girl from Thailand?
3. Hanoi is Vietnam's capital city.
4. Is Ho Chi Minh City the largest city in Vietnam?
5. Vietnam gained its independence in 1945.
6. Was ASEAN formed on the 8th of August 1967?
2. Listen and repeat with the correct intonation. Then practice saying the sentences with a partner.
1. Mai applied for the Singapore scholarship.
2. Is Tom looking for information about ASEAN?
3. Jane was invited to stay with a local family in Laos.
4. Does Kevin want to take a trip to Bali, Indonesia?
5. Kwang took many pictures of beautiful coral reefs in the Philippines.
6. Brunei joined ASEAN as its 6th member in 1984.